Hi guys, so we are at Thorpe Gates level crossing in North Yorkshire, which I thought. Adam.
That alarm started off slow.
Wow.
The other alarm sounds normal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, the time is 15:40 on Saturday the 28th of May 2016. And this is for our 15:39, 1 Romeo, 2 Romeo 8, Arriva Rail North service from Hull to York.
No, they're bouncing and saying, oh, no,
That barrier did thump the ground, didn't it?
yeah.
Can I get there, please? Thank you.
Nighty bobbies. Yeah, that alarm did not work earlier.
Didn't it? How do you know that? It'd have to be turn its flipping engine off though, wouldn't it?
Look at that.
Why are you doing that for?
What?
I don't think they want to see your black fingers, Adam.
Racist.
No, I didn't mean it that way. Stop it. That's rude. That's on my camera now. I can't cut it out.
Could use YouTube.
I didn't mean it that way. Please don't say that again. I don't like rude language on camera. I mean, he'd touched the barrier over there and he's got like this, what do you call it? I don't want to make it sound racist either. Here it is. You know I don't mean it that way, guys, but he got some of this black stuff off the barrier and it's turned his fingers black. Don't think I'm rude, but I'm not. I don't mean it rude at all. I didn't even think about it until Adam mentioned it. We've got 152.70 back. 52.70 to York, and up they go. The delayed barrier goes up fastest usually, for some reason. Let's go to the next video.